Hey, today I've got a little video on a kryptonite, well, I don't know what to call it, round, what must I say, a round steel, hardened steel body, molybdenum steel shackle, whatever that is. It says it on there as well. Never heard of it. It's got one of these interchangeable cords. Yeah, it's akin to the iconic American lock company big round lock that I've wanted for ages, but they're really hard to come across over here. So I got this one because I've always been curious of kryptonite for the last few months since I've started all this. Really wanted to see how good they are. Here is the key. A bit of up and down on the bitting if I can avoid the light. Oh dear, sorry, I didn't mean to knock the tripod over. So yeah, there's the bitting on that. A few high and lows in the middle, but sure nothing we can't overcome. Right, so I'll just I wanted to be all heroic and open it straight from the package, you know, as you see on most of the other lock picking videos, the lock sport videos. Get it straight from there in the vise, bish bash bosh, and it's all taken care of. But alas, I got so far and my tension wrench fell out, and I was about 7 minutes in, and I thought, oh, who's going to want to watch this? I was chatting for about 3 minutes. I've been chatting for about 2 minutes now, so I'm going to shut up and get on with it. I'm going to go top of the keyway. Today I'm going to go in with a hook, because if you look, it's large keyway there, so you can get a lot in there. And you've got to sort of lift the pins a bit, so I thought I'd go in with the hook. I think this is a hook 4 or something in the Peterson range. It's something along those lines anyway. Hook 3 or hook 4. I'm going to go straight to the back as I can, and I'm going to start fiddling around. Okay, that was number 6. I have opened this once off screen. When I had the failed attempt, I thought I may as well make sure at least I can open it before I make 10 videos and spend about 4 hours fanning around trying to sort it out. Okay, a little turn of the core there on number 1, that was. So 6 and 1 are in. I think 2 has gone home. No feedback anymore. 0 feedback. Try a little bit of a bounce. Ah, there's something. Yeah, there is something. What's that? 1, 2, 3 or 4. 1, 2, 3. Well, little spool in 3, right. I've not opened this up, so what are we on? 4 minutes. Okay. Well, it's not too bad because I was talking for a couple of those. I can get the keys off now. Yay. I'll just put this down there. This is obviously the one I've got 2 and I'm trying to pull fast on. Let's get the waffle. I'll just reposition the tripod. Excuse me. Oh, cool. I'll have to get one of the American ones very soon and give that one a go. What do we got in here? So yeah, we're in a Phillips. I should have checked this out beforehand, shouldn't I? Oh, right, yeah, I've noticed we've got a little sort of Allen screw in there. I don't quite know what that's for. Maybe to keep this shackle in place, not sure. And it's got one of these convenient pilot holes, so you know exactly where the screw is inside that you can drill straight through there, knock the top off that screw, and this will fall out, allowing you to open up the lock. Absolutely ridiculous. I did see a Bosnian build video where he did highlight that on one of the square-bodied master locks. Very interesting. I've started to see them in other places as well, so I don't quite know. Yeah, don't quite know. Right, so the screw's out. Okay, that gubbin's out. And there it is. It's a deadly little thing. Good Lord. I think this is the tiniest one I've ever come across. Well, it doesn't matter if I lock it up, I suppose. I do have a key. Sorry, I mean to be right in the lens of the camera. There we are. Bloody steel spring circlip. There we go. We spend about 5 minutes taking circlips off. I do apologise. Right, where's that key now? And I suppose it'll be a little follower. Okay, so that is number 6. Shoot, 2 fell out of there. Ooh! Oh, I've done it in the wrong order. That's different. Excellent. Ah, which is the front and which is the back? Come through this way. Okay, so this is number 1. Little shit, go on. Excuse my French, sorry. Right, there we go. Okay, so let's have a look at this a little bit closer. Down the bottom here, I'll just focus this up. So we've got a steel key pin there. That's a normal standard one is number 3. The other key pins 2, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. They're all serrated. Hopefully you can see that okay. And then up the top, and the drive pins, we've just got a normal steel in the first chamber, and all the others are just little tiny spools, little diddy things to go with a diddy lock, and such a lump of a padlock, which is yeah, that's great. That's the first one of these I've ever done. I'm really happy about it. I'm going to put it all back together and buy another one. Oh, I do have one of these masters, which I will be doing soon. That's also got an Allen key in, so I'm just going to investigate that one a little bit closer. Yeah, and I'll investigate what that's about. But you've seen the majority of usefulness of this. There they are again. Very happy with that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit like, subscribe, questions, comments, all that gubbins, and come back very soon for a little bit more. Take it easy. Be good.